Hey, I'm at Costco. Let's see what kind of good plant-based items we can find here. Tofu is the one thing I always grab when I'm at Costco. I love this tofu because it's a cross between extra firm and super firm, and I don't have to press it. And it comes in 16-ounce blocks instead of 14, so it's a really good deal. I think I'm going to pick up 2 of these. I could always put some in the freezer. I use tofu for so many different things, from sandwiches to stir fries to curries. I even make chicken nuggets out of it. Right next to the tofu, you're going to see this chipotle sauce. It is like a cashew cheese sauce that you can buy at the store. It's a total lifesaver for parties, or if you need a dip and you don't have time to make something. It's completely plant-based, and it's good for dipping your chips in. It's great on a haystack, or any place you would want a smoky, cheesy sauce for your meal. I used to buy a big thing of hummus, but it would go bad. These little containers of hummus are great for packing for lunches and keeping on hand when you need something quick. This better than bouillon vegetable base is absolutely essential. I wish they carried the no beef or the no chicken versions, but this vegetable version is really great in soups or any time you'd use a vegetable broth. This huge Costco size lasts forever. This is the Lowry seasoned salt. Costco is a great place to buy seasonings if you cook as much as I do. But if you don't cook that much, you probably don't need these huge containers. It might be cheaper to buy your seasoning somewhere else. But Costco does rotate seasonings, and so they do get some seasonal things. You might want to check for those. The Bonza chickpea pasta is a favorite. I love this for pasta nights because it adds a bonus of protein without your family really noticing it. So if your family's a little resistant to being healthy, this might be a good place to start. If you catch the pasta on sale, I'd stock up because it has a long shelf life. It's not going to go bad. Costco's organic maple syrup is a great deal. I use it a lot for baking and for special breakfasts. So I always keep it in the pantry. One little jug like this is much cheaper than those little bottles you can buy at the grocery store. Lindsay olives are the best. My husband loves them, so stock up on those. Almond flour and other baking flours are great to buy at Costco. I have not worked with almond flour before, but I did want to get some because I want to make some gluten-free treats for my friends. And I also saw this recipe for vegan macarons, and they call for almond flour. And I really want to see if I can make those for my birthday in April. So if you want to see that recipe and see my vegan macarons, then make sure you subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell so you get notified when I make that recipe. The freezer section at Costco really is a game changer. I used to cut up all my own vegetables, but now that I'm working full-time, I find that it's so much easier to buy these bags of frozen root vegetables or sheet pan vegetables for a sheet pan dinner. I also love these stir-fry vegetables. They're really good. I always like to grab some of these long green beans. They look really pretty and they make a nice meal. I use them a lot when I do catering. And these veggie spring rolls are completely vegan and they're delicious. And they add a little something special to your stir-fry during the week. It makes you feel like you're going out to dinner. And here is the almond milk. It goes on sale on a rotation, so you have to keep your eye out and stock up. This is the type of milk that doesn't require refrigeration, so you don't have to worry about stocking up and having it go bad. And don't forget pantry staples like parchment paper. I'm going to stock up on this because I've got some baking to do. But Costco also has things like plastic wrap and aluminum foil and paper plates and things like that when you need them. Okay, that's my Costco trip for today. So let me know in the comments below what kind of things you buy at Costco. Maybe I can give them a try.